In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the blower motor module on this BMW X5. This is going to be located behind the glove box. Let's get into it. Open the glove box, there's a button right here. Then we're going to take this panel off. Just using a pick, just get behind the panel. Just pop it forward. It's just clipped in. If you feel down, there is a separate piece that comes apart from this piece, so you want to pop that off first. Now I'm just going to use a pick and just, you can see where it separates right here. Just want to grab that and just try to pull that up on the sides. Just separate this piece. There we go. Just kind of fold the sides in a little bit and then you're able to pull that out. Oh, it's still clipped in the back a little. All right, pull that piece out. On the inside here, there's a USB port. I'm just going to use a pick, just try to get underneath it. You can use a trim tool, a straight blade screwdriver, or even if you can reach underneath, just try to push it in. Grab a piece of it. Just pull that out. There's the connector. And disconnect the connector. Just push down on the tab on the back, and you want to push that through. And you can grab the housing, just pull up if you need to, get under here with a trim tool or a straight blade screwdriver. Pull that up, and that piece comes out. Now we're going to disconnect the connector. There's a couple tabs on the side. Just push on the tabs to the side, pull that out. There's another connector. Push on the tabs. And we'll pull that out. This one's a little bit harder to grab. You might need a pick or a straight blade screwdriver. Just get rid of the tab. And pull that out of the way. And there's a screw down here and a screw up top. I'm going to take those out. Using a T20 socket, we're going to take these screws out. Pull that out and grab the module, and it comes right out. Take the new module. We're going to take the screw, get the screw started through the module just to make it easier when installing. Just at least to get the top one in. And tighten that down. And take the other screw. And we'll tighten this one down. Now we'll connect the connectors. Get those lined up. All right, that's good. Now take this piece, line this up, and just clip it in place. And then you're going to have your USB connector. So you want to reach down, grab the wire for that, and take the connector, line that up, lock it in place, Then we can slide this in. Lock it down. Now take this cover, line that up, and lock it down. Now take this cover, line that up, and lock it down. And you can close the glove box.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.